Hello everyone, welcome to ECE 203 Children's Literature. I'm going to share with you the syllabus in this video. So what you'll see is that here is my name and information. I'm Dr. Kate Zielinski. My office hours are going to be virtual this semester since I won't be on campus. My office hours can be accessed through Blackboard Collaborate, and they will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 8 until 9, or 8 until 10 rather, so right before we meet on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays at 10. So if you have a quick question, you can just pop into office hours before class, and I'll be happy to discuss with you. And of course, if you have another class at that time, or that time doesn't work, you can always send me an email, and we can make an appointment and have a meeting as well. So this course is going to really take the concept of children's literature. So you're going to learn a lot about literature. You're going to learn about the different genres. You're going to learn about what makes children's literature, some of the choices better than others. We'll talk about quality, but then we're going to also talk about pedagogy, and pedagogy is that art of teaching. So we're going to talk about how do we use children's literature effectively with children. And then we're going to spend time digging into how do children learn to read and write, and how can children's literature be used as a vehicle to teach children those specific skills. So it's really a fun class. It's an engaging class, I hope. You will need to have access to children's books. So if you have some children's books at home, that's wonderful. You might need to access maybe a public library. Also, the library on main campus in Nanticoke, our LCC library, has a wonderful selection of children's literature. You can go in there and access some literature. So you will need access to books. Speaking of books, here's our textbook information. So our textbook is going to be, the main source is I call it the Kiefer text, because you can see there's a series of authors there. It's the title of the textbook is Charlotte Huck's Children's Literature, A Brief Guide. So Charlotte Huck is not the author. Kiefer is the author, but the book is called Charlotte Huck's Children's Literature. You'll need that through the you'll need to access that through McGraw-Hill Connect. So the best thing to do is to just get the ebook and the access code to McGraw-Hill Connect, because there will be quizzes and reading comprehensions that must be completed through McGraw-Hill. The other book that you'll need is Otto. That's the author. The book is titled Literacy Development in Early Childhood, Reflective Teaching for Birth to Age 8. We will get into Otto a little bit later in the year, and we'll focus on infants and toddlers primarily, because Kiefer really is geared more towards school age, and we need to round out our infants and toddlers, so that's why we use Otto. So here on the next page of our syllabus, there's some special instructions about accessing Kiefer. If you're having difficulty getting onto McGraw-Hill, here's the phone number. Here is the help desk information, technological helpline for Luzerne. And here is the direct line to Mark Winter, who is our McGraw-Hill wizard. So he is the person that I contact when I'm having issues, so he can help students as well. To finish up this video, we'll talk a little bit about our course goals. So again, I already told you that part of this course is going to be recognizing the literary and visual elements that create quality literature. We're going to talk about how kids learn to use language and literacy development, and how do we use books to help that along. So I'm going to stop this video now, and we'll pick up another video describing the specific assignments.